How to make Nether Portal in Minecraft. So first, what you want to do is just get 10 bits of obsidian, flint and steel, and 4 of any kind of block that you want. So basically what you want to do is just place 2 obsidians at the bottom, then place a building block right there, then place 3 more here on the side, then place a building block here on the top of it. Now place 2 on the top, place a building block, and lastly 3 more here on the other side. So basically 2 bits of obsidian at the bottom and at the top, then 3 bits of obsidian on the side. So just destroy these building blocks since it's not necessary. Now once you have this structure, what you want to do is get your flint and steel and just simply right click on the obsidian right here or any part. Then it will basically activate the nether portal and just you can just simply go into it. Now as you can see, I'm now on the nether. That's how I basically make a nether portal in Minecraft.